Good morning, everybody. We are here at Kanto Lampo Waterfall. And it costs 50,000 rupiah to get in for the entrance ticket. And you buy your tickets at the ticket counter down below. Gotta tell you, it is quite a hoof to go down about 100 plus steep steps to the waterfall. And you really need to get here early as soon as they open. Sometimes they open at 6 a.m., sometimes they open at 8 a.m., but you wanna double check and get here as soon as they open. The line today was 3 hours long. Please come early because the lines here are ridiculous. But again, thanks for watching. It one by one. Hey everybody, guess where we're at? We're at Tibumana Waterfall. Isn't this a gorgeous beauty? It's a man-made waterfall, unlike some of the other waterfalls in Bali. This morning we have been chasing waterfalls. We were at Kanto Lampo Waterfall. We're here at Tibumana Waterfall, and we had to scratch 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭. It's just a little too many stairs for us today after doing so much the last 10 days. If you've been following us on our trip to Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, and now Bali. So yes. It's beautiful, scenic, and let the view speak for itself. We are now eating lunch at our first warung of the trip in Bali. We are here at Sari Warung, and we're gonna have some local dishes. First, Freddie is enjoying his coconut water.
If you haven't had one, you need to. Natural electrolytes, the best thing ever. Nice and natural and sweet. This is what you need after a long trek. I'm gonna go in. See, they give you the spoon so you eat the coconut. It's inside as well. That's good. See inside? It's called the gel right here. It's good. When you come here, you gotta try it.
We just trekked down that way to get to Tibumana. You can see there's a sign right there that says Tibumana Waterfall. And right below us, we have a worker mining his own farm and planting rice by hand. That's just amazing. chicken fried rice, chicken karagi.
So that's why we need the date to find on the lunar calendar. So the solar was Monday.
We are here at Tirta Empul and we have our sarongs on. Welcome to Pura Tirta Empul, one of the most sacred temples in all of Bali, a place where spirituality flows as naturally as the holy spring beneath it. Nestled just outside of Ubud, this temple is known for its purification pools, where locals and visitors come to wash away negativity and welcome peace and blessings into their lives. Remember, this is an active temple, so dress respectfully. Sarongs are required, and you can rent one at the entrance if you don't have your own. If you'd like to take part in the purification ritual, stop by one of the offering stalls and get small woven baskets filled with flowers, incense, and rice. Purchase one and hold it close to your heart. Next, make your way to the shrine where offerings are placed. Set yours gently. Take a moment of silence to say a quiet gratitude, a prayer, or simply a hope for clarity. Once you're ready, head to the changing area, put on your bathing suit and sarong, and step into the water. Start at the first fountain on the left and move down the row. With each spout, bow your head beneath the stream and let the cool water fall over you and release anything you no longer want to carry. When you finish, step out slowly and take a moment to feel the weight lifted off your shoulders and your spirits renewed. Pura Tirta Empul isn't just a temple, it's an experience, a chance to reset, reconnect, and honor traditions that have lived here for over 1,000 years. You never planned to use travel insurance, but I was so glad I had it during my Bali trip. I used Allianz via their Ali's travel app, and the entire experience was completely stress-free. From the moment I submitted my medical claim, everything happened fast. A doctor and nurse arrived at our villa within an hour and a half. They treated me on site with an IV, ran blood work, and delivered the results before they left. I didn't have to search for a hospital or worry about language barriers. Allianz handled everything. Incredible service when I needed it most. I highly recommend traveling with Allianz for true peace of mind. Thank you for watching.
Please like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified of our upcoming videos.